If you're a member of Cigna, write in your browser cigna.com. In the front page, click in Log in to my Cigna. Enter your username and password and press Log in. Once you're here, go down to the end of the page and click in Pay My Bill. Another window is going to open for you, and you may click Pay My Bill. In here, select or write the amount to pay. The date of payment and the payment method. To add the payment method, click in Create New Account. You can add your bank account or your credit card. In this case, we're going to choose credit card. Once you finish all your information, you must click in Create to add your card. Now, select the payment method that you choose. Check the boxes and click in Program Payment to finish your payment successfully.